everyone. Is topic music
My
and-
topic
my topic is music and
movie.
movies.
Baca itu
My
itu
what your favorite genre of music?
why
My favorite music genre is Sundanese pop because in Sundanese music always have a sad
Have
background
happy background.
Okay, next.
Ask about your favorite
Favorite TV show or movie?
movies. My favorite movie all the teams is Barbie.
I have a question for you. Who made you this? Who made you this answer?
Samso
Because he doesn't know his answer.
Okay, this your favorite. What is your favorite movie?
Favorite film?
Ya, oh berarti ini dibikinin jawabannya.
dibikinin sama Samso
Jairan.
Pantes aja dia aja nggak tahu dia
Yeah.
nulis Barbie.
What is your favorite movie?
Okay, your real favorite movie.
Again low. Again low.
Andy Lau. Andy Lau.
High and low.
Oh, High and Low.
Okay.
Okay.
Your favorite singer.
Tell us about your favorite singer. What?
Oh, penyanyi.
Favorite singer Miss Saya Jessica.
Yayan Jatnika.
Yayan
Okay.
Jatnika.
Singer
Why?
Sundanese.
What's your favorite song?
No. Tell us about your itu kenapa? Your favorite singer kenapa ya?
Enak.
Agak susah.
enak
Next.
What's your favorite song
All the time.
My favorite music the teams is Aisyah
Aisyah. Bye.
by Abil Jatika.
Okay.
Last one.
What movie you think are the worst? The most film in my opinion is Hack and Law and Robin because the film are boring for me.
Robin Hood. Oh, boring. Okay. Thank you. Just